All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Defense Detective Global. Of late, a bubble has been created that ISI is the #1 intelligence agency in the world. In today's episode, we are going to burst this bubble, and that too with full evidence. There's an Indian YouTube channel named SSB Interview Selection which has lakhs of subscribers and has a verified tick. Now this channel has changed its name to Defense Analysis. In the About section, the description of this channel states that it works to provide quality and authentic defense updates on daily basis. We came across one of its video about 10 best intelligence agencies in the world. In this video, ISI has been described as the #1 intelligence agency in the world. After the video was over, there were also recommendations for some Pakistani reaction channel videos. Now, if a YouTube channel of India, which has a decent number of subscribers, has called Pakistani intelligence agency as #1, then it is obvious that the joy of Pakistani YouTubers would be difficult to describe in words. Let's show you how overjoyed these Pakistani YouTubers were after seeing that video.
नंबर 1 पे आता है ISI इंटर सर्विस इंटेलिजेंस पाकिस्तान। यह पाकिस्तान की इंटेलिजेंस सर्विस एजेंसी है। इसकी स्थापना 1948 में हुई थी। इसका मुख्यालय इस्लामाबाद है। दुनिया की सबसे ताकतवर खुफिया एजेंसियों में पाकिस्तान की ISI सबसे ऊपर आती है। ISI का गठन 1948 में एक ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जन्मे ब्रिटिश आर्मी ऑफिसर ने किया था।
नंबर 1 में इस वजह से खुशी हुई है भैया, जिंदगी में पहली बार नंबर 1 चलो बताया तो है, कोई माने या ना माने।
भाई ये वीडियो जो थे ये इंडियन की है, ये पाकिस्तान की वीडियो नहीं थी कि जो पाकिस्तान जो है क्योंकि खुद से भी बना सकते हैं ना, तो इसलिए सबूत के तौर पर जो है ये वीडियो आप ही की है, इंडियन की है। लेकिन जो टॉप पर है वो भाई ISI है।
तेरी
सही बात है। जो
हम तो कहते पहले से भी जो है ना, मतलब ISI #1 है, लेकिन नहीं मानते थे भाई। तो आज भाई आपकी ही वीडियो है।
We thought that it might have been told in the description of the video that which organization gave a ranking in which ISI has been called the #1 agency. But the description also did not mention the source or the reference of this news. Since we wanted an authentic proof for this ranking, we wrote an email to the SSB Interview YouTube channel and requested them to tell us about the source related to this video so that we can also know about the authenticity of these rankings. We found their 2 email IDs. We mailed them on both and asked about the source. But till this video was made, there was no response from their side. But we continued our research to find out that how it has been instilled in the minds of the people of Pakistan that ISI is #1 intelligence agency. Well, the list of its failures is very long. We will also give enough evidence of its failures, and these evidences will be Pakistani. During our research, we found a very old video of Pakistani news channel ARY. Here's an excerpt from this video. This video was uploaded on YouTube channel named Pakistan Heaven. We have given its link in the description box below. You can check it from there. It was uploaded on May 21, 2011. Through this video, we got the information about the source according to which ISI is the #1 agency in the world.
ये है जनाब फरवरी 8, 2011 इन क्राइम न्यूज न्यूयॉर्क। ये दुनिया की 10 बड़ी इंटेलिजेंस की बारे में बताते हैं कि ये किस नंबर पे आते हैं। टॉप बेस्ट इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी इन द वर्ल्ड कहा गया है और उसमें #1 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को कंसीडर किया गया है ISI। अगर ISI इनकॉम्पिटेंट है, ISI का फेलियर है, ISI इन्वॉल्व है, तो फिर ये टॉप 10 में CIA 2 है, उससे पीछे यूनाइटेड किंगडम की है और #1 ISI है। रॉ 8वें नंबर पे आती है, मोसाद 6 या 7वें नंबर पे आती है। तो हमें ये देखना चाहिए कि ये खुद अमेरिकन अखबार ये बता रहे हैं कि पाकिस्तान की जो इंटेलिजेंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है ISI, वो दुनिया की #1 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है।
So according to ARY News, there is an organization named American Crime News in New York, which in its report in 2011 had declared ISI as the world's #1 intelligence agency. So after this, entire Pakistani media went crazy with happiness. It praised ISI so much that words fell short. It was hyped so much and ISI was continuously being called number one in Pakistani media. It was also made viral on social media. Now, the people of Pakistan believe in this lie that ISI is really the number one agency. The media has shown it repeatedly, so much that it has been instilled in the minds of Pakistani people and they think it to be true. But we all know that it is a big lie. And why it is a lie, we will tell you with complete evidence. There's a Pakistani news website named The News. A report by Umar Chima was published on this on January 11, 2016 with the heading Ranking the Ranker. In this report, all media houses including ARY News, websites or WhatsApp forwards saying that ISI is number one have been picked to pieces. Through this report, many news which went viral in Pakistan have been proved false. These include the one we are talking about, that ISI is ranked number one agency in the world. Along with it, news of General Raheel Sharif as the world's number one military commander in international ranking of top 10 military commanders in the world. Also, Islamabad as the second most beautiful capital of the world only after London. All these have been proved false in this report. We have given the link of this report in description box. You can fact check it from there. So this report has also exposed the tall claim of ISI being the number one agency. It says that this news was greeted with enthusiasm and is a moment of pride that ISI has received the best international ranking. But no one bothered to know whether this is really true. If Pakistani media is making this claim, then what is the basis of its claim? According to the Pakistani newspaper The News, the source which was being claimed to be the ISI as the number one agency in the world, the American Crime News report, does not even exist. Considering it as a website, it either has never existed or has closed now since there is no reference of it other than this ranking. It means that Pakistani media is singing ballads of ISI, referring to a fake news, and the whole Pakistan accepted it as a truth. We also tried a lot but couldn't find anything by the name American Crime News which mentions ISI. So friends, it has proved to be absolutely false that the report of American Crime News had called ISI the number one agency in the world. But claims about a false source was not limited to just one website. Another established media house of the United States named ABC News was also falsely mentioned as a source for ranking ISI as the number one agency. The report of Pakistani newspaper The News also mentions the ranking released by ABC Newspoint. We also searched and found this article on pressreader.com whose heading was Top 10 Best Intelligence Agencies in the World 2016. This article was published on 6 January 2017. In this article, you can see that ISI has been declared as the number one intelligence agency in the world. Here we also saw a link to a website, abcnewspoint.com. To know its truth, we searched this link on Google, but it turned out to be a fake link. No such link exists on Google. After this, we just searched abcnewspoint.com. Then this came in as a result. We clicked on the first link shown, but it turned out to be a stats and valuations website. After this, we saw its Twitter handle. We opened it and saw that it had only 456 followers. The URL of abcnewspoint.com website was given on Twitter handle. When we clicked on it, there was no website. It means that the address of a fake website has been given here. Going further down in the search results, we found another website named abcnewspoint.wordpress.com. It was written here that it is an online news agency. We thought that now we might have come to the right place and could find something here. But this website didn't seem to be a professional news website at all. The latest post in it was from October 6, 2016, whose header was Top 10 Most Beautiful Black Women in the World. So the claim of presenting ABC Newspoint website as an evidence also proved to be fake. So now you must have understood the forgery of how did ISI become the number one agency in the world. Our Pakistani viewers also claim that a Google search would prove their point of ISI being number one. We would like to tell them that by saying so, they become the laughing stock. We will tell you how. It is very important to understand how Google works. Think of it like this. If thousands of people start tweeting with a hashtag on Twitter at the same time, then that hashtag comes on top. Similarly, Google searches keywords in the data available on the internet and then present it as a result. And these search results keep changing according to different countries. It means that it is not necessary that the search result that appears in Pakistan will be same in India or Britain or the US. So we searched on Google, world's top intelligence agency. You can see here there is no name of ISI anywhere in the search results. If we go down in the search result, it is written here, people also ask. There's a question in this that who is number one intelligence agency in the world? When we clicked on it, then the name of ISI came. But what is its source? The source is this page of Wikipedia. Wikipedia? Really? You all know that Wikipedia is not an authentic source and cannot be treated as evidence, as anyone can edit information on it. Below this, there was another question. Who is number one intelligence agency in 2020? When we clicked on it, the name of ISI also came here. Now, what is the source of this information? The source is dnd.com.pk. So this URL belongs to Pakistan. There was another link below it with the question, what are the top 10 intelligence agencies in the world? When we clicked on it, a website named testbook.com came. Here the name of ISI is nowhere in the top 7 agencies. So it must be clear now that Google does not provide any rankings. Google will just display on the basis of any mention of ISI anywhere in the world. Now if someone has mentioned ISI as the number one agency on Wikipedia, Google will present the same in the search result. And accepting it as a truth is sheer stupidity. This is also mentioned in the report of Pakistani news website The News, in which Umar Chima has written that Pakistani electronic and print media not only carry such ranking by obscure websites, Wikipedia is also often referred to as a trusted source of information by senior and serious journalists without realizing that anybody can edit the site and scores of versions are altered daily. Wikipedia is not for attribution. However, there is no harm in checking the references cited as a source of information. In fact, there are thousands of such articles on the internet, in some of which ISI has been claimed to be number one, in some CIA has been mentioned so, and in some RAW has been said to be number one. So it is obvious that it's not very difficult to plan it and claim that ISI or any other agency is number one. But the problem is that no one tries to know. No one tries to find out that after all, which organization has made ISI number one in their ranking. Even if someone tries to know, they will not get this information anywhere because there is no such organization in the world which decides the ranking of intelligence agencies. So if someone says that their intelligence agency is number one, then their claim is totally false. And the same is in the case of ISI.
मेरे ख्याल से ये रैंकिंग उनकी कोई नहीं होती. हर कंट्री अपने आप को यानी कि डिफेंड करने के लिए जो बना रही है ये कर रही है.
Which agency is better depends on its failure rate. The less it fails, the better it is. The more it fails, the worse it is. It means that how much loss a country has suffered due to its agency's failure. And if we talk about ISI, the list of its failures is very long. And this list is not prepared by us, but by Pakistanis themselves. There's a website named dailypakistan.com.pk. Daud Rahman has written an article on it on 6th May 2016. Its heading is 5 Biggest Failures of ISI in Recent Times. In this article, all those major failures of ISI are mentioned, due to which Pakistan had to suffer a huge loss. The link is given in the description box. You can read it from there. Apart from this, there's a Pakistani YouTube channel named My Channel Video. Gohar Ali hosts this channel. He has also made a video on the failure of ISI. Its link is given below. In this video, on the basis of the incidents that have taken place, he has told that in which major incidents the ISI has failed.
सो फाइनली ये मेरी आखिरी वीडियो है इस सीरीज़ की. कोई भी एजेंसी परफेक्ट नहीं होती, कुछ ना कुछ गलतियाँ, झूठ, कोताहियाँ हो ही जाती हैं. एंड दिस इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. सो इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे कि कब कब ISI फेल हुई अपने ऑपरेशंस के दौरान. इनके सामने सब कुछ होता रहा और ISI को खबर भी ना हुई.
And all these incidents are not baseless or just rhetoric. In fact, the most recent case of ISI's failure was the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A from Jammu and Kashmir. ISI did not even get a whiff of it that India is going to take such a big step in Kashmir.
India's move in Kashmir. इस टॉपिक पर स्टिल बहुत सी खबरें मुसलसल आ रही हैं और ये मामला स्टिल बहुत गर्म है, लेकिन इंडिया का आर्टिकल 370 को मंसूख करना शायद पाकिस्तानी इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी का फेलियर कहलाएगा। इंडियन आर्मी के ट्रूप्स की मूवमेंट, देन उनका कश्मीर को लॉकडाउन करना, वेपन्स की मूवमेंट वगैरह की खबर ISI तक ना पहुंची या बहुत लेट पहुंची, ये इशारा करता है कि शायद ये भी ISI का फेलियर था।
Not only this, the so-called number one intelligence agency had no inkling of two major incidents within its own country which left scars on Pakistan. One of these incidents was the Marriott Hotel bombing, and the other was the terrorist attack in Peshawar's army school, in which many innocent children died.
इस्लामाबाद मैरियट होटल बॉम्बिंग 2008 में इस्लामाबाद के सबसे प्रेस्टिजियस होटल के सामने एक एक्सप्लोसिव से भरा ट्रक फट गया, जिसमें 54 लोगों की मौत वाक़ई हो गई। ये वाक़या भी पाकिस्तानी एजेंसीज के फेलियर्स में शामिल होता है। आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल शूटिंग 2014 में 6 गनमैन जो कि तहरीक-ए-तालिबान पाकिस्तान से ताल्लुक़ रखते थे ने आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल में घुसकर बच्चों पर गोलियां बरसा दी, जहां 149 लोगों की मौत हुई, जिसमें 132 बच्चे शामिल थे। एक चेचन, 3 अरब, 2 अफगानी दहशतगर्दों का पाकिस्तान में इतने असलहे के साथ घुसना और फिर आर्मी के स्कूल पर हमला कर देना ISI के फेलियर्स में से आता है।
Although Pakistan blamed India for army public school shooting, but Pakistani agencies know it well that India had no role in it. The terrorists involved in that incident were also not Indians. This was a propaganda spread to not tarnish the image of ISI, and it was easily believed by the people of Pakistan. After this comes in the failure list of ISI, the Pakistani claim of nexus between the MQM party and the Indian intelligence agency RAW.
कराची और इवन सिंध में MQM के रॉ से ताल्लुकात और उनकी एंटी पाकिस्तान एक्टिविटीज़। नाउ ये पॉइंट डिबेटेबल है। रिसेंटली ये वाज़ेह हुआ कि MQM की फंडिंग में इंडियन रॉ भी इन्वॉल्व थी एंड अल्ताफ़ हुसैन को इंडियन बैकिंग हासिल थी ताकि वो पाकिस्तान के सबसे बड़े शहर कराची को कंट्रोल करें। और ये एंटी स्टेट काम हमारी इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी के नाक के नीचे होते रहे और किसी को खबर ना हुई। ISI को बिल्कुल भी अंदाज़ा नहीं था इस रॉ की इन्वॉल्वमेंट का MQM में, जो पाकिस्तान की एजेंसीज की नाअहली को पेश करता है।
Now propaganda was spread in this also. It was said in Pakistan that Altaf Hussain is an agent of RAW and people accepted it. But this could not be proved till date. To prove India's involvement, a BBC article has been shown here, clearly mentioning that a Pakistani official told BBC that India has trained hundreds of MQM militants in the last 10 years. So can a Pakistani officer's statement be accepted as a proof that RAW helped Altaf Hussain? Okay, let's assume for once that this would have happened. Then tell us that ISI, which is the so-called number one agency in the world, right under its nose, RAW did funding inside Pakistan, trained hundreds of militants, and ISI could do nothing? It means that ISI is totally useless. And not only on this matter. In the case of Osama bin Laden, ISI was mocked world over.
उसामा बिन लादेन का पाकिस्तान में होना ये ISI का बहुत ही बड़ा फेलियर कहलाएगा कि इतना बड़ा टेररिस्ट पाकिस्तान में मिलिट्री बेस के करीब घर में रह रहा था और किसी को भी खबर नहीं हुई। लेकिन फिर हमें एक और नाम मिलता है ब्रिगेडियर उस्मान खालिद का। उन पर यह इल्ज़ाम है कि उन्होंने CIA को उसामा बिन लादेन की लोकेशन बताई, जिसके बदले में CIA ने उन्हें भर कर पैसा दिया और उन्हें और उनकी फैमिली को UK में सेटल करवाया।
So it means that the claim about ISI that their agents do not become double agents has also proved wrong. ISI's Brigadier Usman Khalid became a double agent. He provided CIA the information about Laden, took huge amount of money and settled abroad. But the list of ISI's failures hasn't ended yet. The list includes a bigger incident that would always be a blot on ISI. And that incident was division of Pakistan into two parts and losing half of its country.
1971 की जंग, जिसमें सिर्फ पाकिस्तानी फौज ही नहीं बल्कि पाकिस्तानी इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी का भी फेलियर सामने आया। पॉइंट हिम्मत, बहादुरी और जांबाजी का नहीं बल्कि पॉइंट कंक्लूजन का है। एंड इन कंक्लूजन पाकिस्तान 1971 की जंग इंडिया से हार गया। ईस्ट पाकिस्तान यानी बांग्लादेश का अलग हो जाना। ये एक बहुत ही बड़ी हार थी पाकिस्तान के लिए, स्पेशली इंटेलिजेंस इदारों के लिए, क्योंकि इंडिया बांग्लादेश को अलग करवाने और फिर उसको पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ करने में जीत गया और आईएसआई का ये फेलियर कहलाया।
Apart from these incidents, the list of ISI's failures is very long. Whether it is Operation Gibraltar, which caused the war of 1965, in which ISI had convinced them that the war would be fought only in Kashmir and India would not open front anywhere else at any cost. But what happened was completely opposite. Apart from this, in 1988, despite knowing beforehand that a conspiracy was being hatched to kill General Ziaul Haq, ISI could not save him. He was killed in a plane crash. Everyone knows that the plane crash was a conspiracy. It was the failure of ISI that India snatched away Siachen from them. Pakistan tried hard to take it back, but till date it could not get Siachen back. So now you can think yourself that after so many failures, after causing huge loss to their nation, in which they lost half of their country, how can ISI get the title of world's #1 agency? It is obvious that this is only a propaganda created by ISI to hide its failures. There's no such ranking by any organization which tells you about top intelligence agencies. Every country think and want its intelligence agency to be the best. Friends, hope you like this video. Please like and share it so that correct information reaches everywhere. We will be back soon with another video. Till then, goodbye. Jai Hind.